Hi everyone, we are very excited today. We are with Miss Hopkins and in her cabin, Big Bertha 2.0. It has been modernized. She's gonna walk us through, she's gonna show us everywhere and tell us what she likes about her cabin today.
Okay.
Sounds good. How you doing, Miss Hopkins?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
I'm in the kitchen, obviously. I pretty much designed the inside myself. I took the footprint and then made many changes, which they were very gracious about doing for me because a lot of trouble. The kitchen, for example, I wanted the cabinet shorter because I'm not tall, and anything higher than this I couldn't use without a ladder. So I said, don't go all the way up to the ceiling. And then I left room there so I could bring my own. This is an antique pie safe, and it's my pantry.
Oh,
works
beautiful.
perfect for a
Awesome.
pantry.
Awesome.
And I get to keep it and have a use for it. And then this is my wine rack, and I keep my coffee under there. I can pull this out if I need get more counter space,
Okay.
so I can pull that in and out.
Awesome. Good idea.
And then I asked for the farmer's sink because I always wanted one of those.
Oh, that looks, yeah, nice size farmer sink there
Yeah,
too.
I like it. The other thing is I do not have an oven. I don't bake, and I have a air fryer. And I
Okay.
can do everything in there that I put in an oven. And so that gives me more drawer space. I have my silverware and my spices
Nice.
in that drawer. And then I have pots and pans in that drawer. And then I have my junk drawer in the bottom. This is part of the stove down here. So
Oh, cool.
and so that's worked out very nicely. The microwave came with it. And
Okay.
I'm glad it's up there. I didn't know it came with it, and I was thinking, where am I going to put a microwave?
Ah,
Care of that space,
nice.
and it has a
Nice.
fan and a light.
Okay.
And, so I'll take you on through into the bathroom.
Okay.
I have a pocket door here, which
That's convenient.
I really like.
Yeah. That way it's always out of the way.
There's a lot of space. My washer and dryer right there.
Stackable. Okay.
And then I have two closets.
Let's check that out and
see.
see what you got here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And everything that I use is in these two closets. Out of season clothes I keep upstairs.
Oh,
So
neat.
everything I need is here. My shoes, my clothes, my towels.
Perfect.
And when something's dirty, I don't have to haul it anywhere. I just take it off and put it in the washer.
Okay, cool. And you got your nice good size shower
A
here?
4-foot shower.
4-foot shower. Okay, nice.
And then I have a lingerie chest that I brought, which I could keep all my tops and my underwear and socks and everything is in here. So when I get dressed, everything I need is right here.
Perfect.
When it's dirty, I just put it right there. I used to have a 3-story house, and it was getting very dangerous for me to carry laundry up and down. Extremely
Right.
dangerous.
Right.
So
Yeah, they say falling is one of the main ways
it
people
is.
end up
It
in the
is.
hospital.
Yeah, and it's plus I'm not strong. This is an antique mirror that I brought. Put in
Beautiful.
myself.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And that's actually, that sink looks really cool too.
Yeah, I didn't pick that out. I thought I was going to have to pick out my own sink. But it came with it. I probably may have picked something different, but this is okay.
Okay.
And there's plenty of room here too, which is nice. Lots of drawers.
Yeah, I love it.
And,
Awesome.
and then
Okay, for refrigerator, got all kinds of natural light.
right.
And yeah, this is a cool quilt here.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
I collect antique quilts.
Okay.
And this house doesn't have enough wall space to display them.
Mm-hmm.
And but this one I saved. I still have most of them, but I saved this one for the kitchen because the colors are the blue and yellow that I like. I call my cabin French Country Amish because I love
Okay.
French country furniture and dishes. And my
French country Amish.
furniture,
Okay.
French Country Amish.
I love it.
I have my antique cupboard there with my Quimper dishes. This is the closet under the stairs. There's no light in it. If I had a choice, I would have had a light put in, but I have plenty of room back in there
I see.
for things, so
Okay, great.
that works well.
Everything's got a home, it looks like, Miss Hopkins.
Everything has a home.
Everything
I have
has a
plenty of
home.
room in here for a small table, which is, I don't do big parties anymore at my age, and so this is just perfect.
Okay.
And my French dish collection,
Okay, tell us about your setup. You were telling me earlier about how you had this is a perfect setup for you because this way you don't have to go upstairs when it's time to go to bed.
Yeah, this is my bed. It's a
Okay.
It's a sofa bed. It's very easy to pull out. I keep my sheets and pillowcase on it, so I don't have to make the bed. I just fold it up and push it in. It takes less than a minute.
Yep.
And I'm right here. I can wake up in the morning and look out there.
Yep.
And I have my heat source. I have my TV. I've got my stove. Sometimes I turn it on for for a couple of hours in the morning if it's cool.
Yeah, beautiful.
But,
Now tell me about the windows. You went bigger on your windows.
I designed all the windows. I told them the sizes I wanted.
Mm-hmm.
And it makes all the difference to me.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I like a lot of light.
Yeah, I see you got 3 big ones right here in the living room
I
area.
have the door there, which I'm going to put a screen on it. I can't have a screen on it yet. I've got to do that before I
Yeah,
use it.
turned out beautifully.
But what else can I say? Of course, I've got the arch, the big higher ceiling here.
Yep.
Which makes it more like a living room.
Yeah, it really
And I
does.
picked out the fan, all the fans I picked out.
Mm-hmm.
And they ordered what I told them to.
Wonderful. So showing some flexibility there for your tastes.
Right.
Tell us about the chest there. That's really neat looking.
Well, this was made here in Brown County probably in the 1930s.
Okay.
And I bought it from an old man I met when I first moved here in 1981.
Mm-hmm.
And it's handmade, and everyone loves that. It's just
Yeah, I mean, it was as soon as I walked in, it caught my
Very
attention. I
handmade.
thought it was
Right.
beautiful.
Yeah, and so I can keep dishes in there, and that one behind you is a French. I don't think it's a full antique, but it's very French, and I collect what's called Quimper or Quimper pottery. I
Okay.
have that in there, and there's a blue and yellow.
Nice. I see you.
So
That's
I
your
have
2
that-
favorite
that
colors.
kind
You
of theme. Yeah, I've got this
French country Amish.
French country Amish.
And I see you're an avid book reader.
Oh yeah, I like to keep some nearby. The ones I refer to, I keep nearby, and I have a lot more upstairs.
Awesome.
But
Awesome. Well, it turned out beautifully,
and
Miss
the
Hopkins.
paintings here are all mine.
These are your paintings.
These are my
Okay,
paintings.
yes. Miss Hopkins does
Yeah.
art, and this is her work. Beautiful. So that one as
That
well?
one. Yeah, and the other little one.
Wow. Beautiful. Look
The
at this,
stained
guys.
glass piece, I did that too.
Wow.
That's a Southwestern one.
Beautiful.
So,
There's where she got her television.
yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, let's make our way
you go
upstairs. Yeah, you guys are gonna love this. She's got her art studio up there and her office. You guys are gonna love this.
It's a painting of my pond.
Painting of her pond that she has out front. More of her beautiful artwork.
Yeah, that's one of mine.
Beautiful. So upstairs,
This is
look
this
at
is now
this.
my art studio.
She's got a wonderful little art studio up here, guys. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
That's neat.
Yeah, I've got these things under here. I can pull the drawers out. And I can
Now, did that light fixture and that fan come with it?
No, I
You
picked those.
you picked those,
Well,
okay.
they installed them for me.
Mm-hmm. And you said how long have you been doing your art?
Oh, about 25 years.
25 years.
Yeah.
Yes. Beautiful. So this is her art studio. All her beautiful art surrounding her with great views of her backyard there. Absolutely beautiful. And no space goes to waste here.
No.
Ms. Hopkins
No.
got, and you told me whenever you came to the lot in Scottsburg to meet us, you said that you were going to max out the space up in the loft.
Absolutely.
You
Well,
told me
it
that.
worked better than I didn't realize I could push all those things right against the wall. So
Yeah.
None of them have to stick out because
Right.
they all fit. They can't be taller, but they all fit against the wall.
Right, because it does have a, it's not just a straight angle down.
Right.
It's got a little wall coming up and then it arches up.
My cat likes to stay in this room. I don't know where she's hiding right now.
Oh, I haven't
She's
seen the
afraid-
cat.
You won't see her. She's afraid of people.
Gotcha. Okay.
And this is the other room.
That's
This
your
one
office.
could easily be a bedroom. It has the door.
It has the door. Could be a bedroom,
My
but
office. And
she
then
has it as her office.
And my cat stuff is in the corner there.
Yep, for her kitty cat.
And then I have old dressers that have all my out of season clothes and heavy towels and things like that. So,
I see.
So I switch them. I move those downstairs in the winter and put the.
Yeah,
Summer stuff
this
on.
turned out beautifully, Miss Hopkins.
I had a couple of old antique tables that I was able to put in here.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Turned out so nice. You got it looking so good in here. And just so you know, guys, this is she was originally going to get a big Bertha 2.0 rustic cabin. But there was certain things with the county where she had to beef up her insulation.
Well, it was my choice to have it insulated.
Yes.
It would have come uninsulated. And
Right.
If I'm living here year round.
Yep. So she decided to go with the modernized Big Bertha 2.0. And so this got the 2x6 exterior wall framing and fiberglass insulation all the way throughout. And yeah, it worked out really nicely.
I'm very happy. I've been through a winter with no issues.
Good deal.
And Our power only went out a couple times.
Okay, well that's
very
good.
common out here. Is power.
Oh yeah, you're in the country.
We're in the country, so,
Good
but
deal.
It worked out. And we did
Well,
well.
thank you so much for giving us a tour today, Miss Hopkins. Thank you so much. All right.